We're here for a uni fair. We're looking around to find universities abroad and UAE. There's a lot of options here. My favorite part would be the variety of universities and how in-depth the people at the stalls explain, and how everything you need, they give it to you. People that don't know anything about universities or university applications, they need to know how it's done, and this place is a very good option for that.
I'm a senior, I'm a grade 12 student. So indeed, we need to know our next step and what are the requirements, since every year they're being updated. My favorite part is that I get to know about different majors all over the world, not only in UAE, which is actually very helpful, and I recommend it actually very much.
My friend and I are here with the school in order to get valuable insights into our desired universities.
Yes, I say this serves as a great opportunity for senior students to really narrow down their choice of courses, university, and even campus.
I visited Najah to explore all of my education options and to apply for universities. Favorite part of my visit is that all of my questions were answered and I didn't struggle much with trying to gain information from these universities. I think Najah is an important experience, gives you an overview of a college life and the experiences you may face in university. So for those who don't have an idea yet, I'd say visiting Najah is a good idea.
I'm here to figure out my options and what colleges I can join, find out the requirements, the fees, be ready for when I graduate. Favorite part of the Najah? It's actually having all the universities in one place. It makes it easier to find my interests, find what's suitable for me.
As a senior student, I need to start exploring my opportunities and universities I can go to, as well as countries. Honestly, talking to representatives of the universities face-to-face was a really great opportunity for me. Meeting up with people and asking about details, and they explain it all very, very well.
I think one of my favorite parts of this event is communicating with professors that are actually from that university. I barely knew anything about scholarships in the universities in the UAE, but as of now, I am very knowledgeable in the scholarships that various universities can offer to me. Najah opens up opportunities for me internationally.
I would 100% recommend Najah to other students. As someone who is not sure what they want to pursue in the future, this has definitely helped me narrow all of my options in the future. It's a very broad place. There are many opportunities to look at multiple colleges and universities at the same time. There are multiple programs which help students build profile for going abroad or maybe even applying to Ivy Leagues.
So different universities, different countries which I can apply to. Just an overall experiment with fees, scholarships, and just introduction to the universities. It's a really important thing you do before you can apply for a university. I recommend it to everyone.
I mainly discovered that my major, although it's hard to find, Najah allowed me to find many universities, and it allowed me to discover that there are much easier ways to develop scholarships than I expected.